All right guys, here's the before, here's the after. Before, after. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to Car Stomach. A lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Just take a little time below, hit the subscribe button right there, and put notification bell on so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today we got a couple of things we're doing. So first we're gonna do the DRLs. So anyway, let's go to work. All right guys, so this is what the lights look like now. So we're gonna change them to be white. We changed these already, so today we're gonna change these guys. So let's go to work. First thing first, let's take this out. There's a screw right here. Okay, now we need to go under the car. It's just like the other one we did. You just gotta pop those clips off. Okay, so now there's two more. Coming out. And last one is right here. Come on. There we go. Okay, now we should be able to just push this cover off. All right, we got to turn the wheel the other way. Perfect. Just move this a little bit to the side. All right, so the last time we did the white connector, so today we're doing the blue connector. So let me put my hand in there so I can take it out. All right guys, I took it out. So I took it out. All you have to do is twist it this way and that's it. Okay guys, so we ordered the lights here from Auxito. This is what they look like. That's gonna be dumb bright, just like the other one. There you go. Anyway, let's go and put them on. Also guys, if you are interested, I'm gonna put the link down below. You can order some light from Auxito and you get I believe it's either 10 or 12%, I can't remember, but I think it might be 12% down. So if you're interested, check them out. The link is down below. Okay, so here is the connector. Let's test them like always before we put them on. Okay, go ahead and turn it on. Oh yeah, that's nice. There you go, that's very bright. Okay, now let's put it on. Okay, a little further back. Okay.
It's not a game, it's a Ratchet.
Okay, it's on. So I put the light up this way and then you turn it that way. Okay, so that's done. Let's test it one more time. Yep, they are not blinking. The camera makes it look like it's blinking, but that looks very nice. Very, very nice and bright. Get you another video at night so you can see what it looks like. All right, now let's put everything back and then we can go to the next side. MDX. Oh wow. All right, let's put this cover back. It goes back in here. Okay, let's put all this cover back where they need to go, and then we got to put the pop clips on. And let's go put the screw in there. There you go. Can you turn the wheel this way so I can make sure it's all the way in? Perfect. Just finishing screwing this one on. Okay, it's on. Next side. All right guys, here's the before, Here's the after. Before, after. Okay, now we're gonna do this one as well, so same thing as the other one. So let's go first from the bottom and take out the pop clips. Okay, the pop clips are out. Now let's go get the screw out. Okay, just take this out. Okay, now should be able to move this out a little. Oh, so I forget what? Oh, I forgot one. Oops. Okay. Alright, let's try this again. There we go. Now I can actually move it just enough to the side. Alright, same thing as we're gonna do the blue connector. So similar, just take it. Just try to show. Twist it up. There we go, and the light is out. Plug it. Okay, here's the new one. Let's plug the new one on. Then we're gonna test it again too, just to be safe. All right, definitely bright. Very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and put it on. Turn it off now, please. Whoa, no, the other way. Yeah, leave it right there. Just turn off the car. Okay, you put the light on, you twist it, and that's it. Alright guys, so this is done. There it is. Look better at night. Okay, put all the stuff back already. So put the okay, now let's put the clips back on. There's a screw that goes right here. Okay. And put this one back on too. Alright, just tighten this up a little. Okay, let me double check everything, but I think we should be good on this side. Alright, you can't really see them that much during the day, but they are very bright. Trust me. Here it is. Alright, that's it. Alright guys, this lights is all done. I'll get you another video at night, so thank you for watching. Until the next one, peace.